Hey guys, so I'm in Chandigarh currently with my wife and she has bought a new laptop. So I thought we'll share the unboxing experience with you. So here it is. हाँ चलो.
So pretty.
What is it?
It's the pen. Doing my best over here. Instructions. Step 1. Your computer has been pre-installed battery, and before you press the power button to turn on the computer for the first time, be sure that the AC adapter is connected to the computer. Okay. Step 2. Push the button, of course, into the microphone, blah 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 blah. Alright, let's do this. Should I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oops, it's torn. Oopsie. Ta-da! It's golden like me. It's so golden. It's like gold. Ooh. Okay, where's the power button? It has been turned on. Gold.
So do you like it?
Still a guarded opinion.
It's the startup of Windows 11, right? I'm seeing Windows 11 for the first time.
So am I. You know why it's called envy?
Haha, I know.
It's because
I am very envious right now.
me
Alright, so the laptop is set up and we have the first look of Windows 11. I'm seeing it for the first time. It looks very elegant.
Chic.
Chic? What is chic?
C-H-I-C.
Chic. Looks pretty chic. I've learned a new word today.